What's up guys, Chris here, and today I'm back with a new video. So in this video we'll be unboxing and reviewing this 64GB micro SD card from Kingston. So let's go!
So here's the box of this 64GB micro SD card from Kingston. If you flip it over, you will be able to see the exact model of this SD card, which is the SDC10G2/64GB. As you can see, there's also an adapter included in the box. This is really nice from Kingston because with this adapter you will be able to use this micro SD card with other devices like your computer and your camera. So now let's unbox the Kingston micro SD card. So now let's talk about the specifications of this micro SD card. The Kingston SDC10G2 64GB is a Class 10 UHS-I micro SD card with write speeds of up to 10 megabits per second and read speeds of up to 45 megabits per second, which makes this SD card ideal for cinema quality 1080p video recording. Additionally, this SD card was designed in order to withstand harsh environments, with that meaning that this micro SD card is waterproof, temperature proof, shock and vibration proof, and finally X-ray proof.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please hit the like button down below. Also, if you want, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos and follow me on Twitter. So that's all. Thank you again, see you, and peace.